PNC Mobile Banking App Review. But first, what is PNC Mobile Banking App? The PNC Mobile Banking App is a digital platform that allows PNC Bank customers to manage their accounts, transfer money, deposit checks, pay bills, and track spending securely from their mobile devices. It offers convenient features like fingerprint login, alerts, and budgeting tools to enhance financial management on the go. Then your next question might be what it is for. The purpose of the PNC Mobile Banking App is to provide customers with a convenient way to manage their banking needs from their smartphones. It allows users to check account balances, transfer funds, deposit checks, pay bills, and monitor transactions securely, all from anywhere at any time. The PNC Mobile Banking App features a user-friendly interface with intuitive navigation, allowing users to manage their accounts efficiently. Main features include checking balances, viewing recent transactions, transferring funds between accounts, depositing checks via mobile capture, paying bills, and sending money using Zelle. A unique aspect of the app is its integration with PNC Mobile Accept, enabling small business owners to accept payments directly through the app without monthly fees. The key features of the PNC Mobile Banking App include the ability to check balances, transfer money between accounts, pay bills, deposit checks using mobile capture, and track spending with detailed transaction history. It also offers real-time notifications for account activity and secure sign-in options like fingerprint and facial recognition. The app integrates with tools like Zelle for fast money transfers and PNC's Mobile Accept, allowing small businesses to accept payments directly through the app without additional fees. It also connects with budgeting tools to help users manage their finances efficiently. Now, we're moving to the pros and cons that these apps have. As for the pros, the PNC Mobile Banking App is user-friendly, offering convenient features like mobile check deposit, real-time alerts, and secure sign-in with fingerprint and facial recognition. It also integrates well with Zelle for instant money transfers and offers helpful budgeting tools. And for the cons, the app may occasionally experience technical glitches, such as slow loading times or errors when processing transactions. Some users also report that navigating between different sections of the app can be a bit cumbersome. Talking about who would benefit in this app more. PNC Mobile Banking App is beneficial for individuals who need a convenient and secure way to manage their finances on the go, including checking balances, transferring funds, and paying bills. Small business owners may also benefit from its integration with PNC Mobile Accept, allowing them to accept payments directly through the app. And that's all from me. If you find this intriguing, just comment your opinion and experience while using this app. Kindly like and subscribe also if you don't mind. Hope this been helpful to you, but that's it for me. Thank you.